Let's divide 112 by 2. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning with me, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a new math video. Let's go. Alright team, let's start dividing 112 by 2. First, we look at the first digit of 112, which is 1. We don't have any digits to bring down yet, so we'll work with the 1. How many times does 2 fit into 1? It doesn't fit, so we write a 0 above the 1. Let's check. 0 times 2 is 0. We write 0 under the 1. Now we subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1. That's our remainder for this step. Great job, we're just getting started. Now let's bring down the next digit, which is 1, to join our remainder. Look at that, we have 11 now. Our new number to work with is 11. We brought down the next digit, the 1, so now we have 11. How many times does 2 fit into 11? Think of your 2 times tables, it's 5. Let's check. 5 times 2 is 10. We write 10 under the 11. Time to subtract. 11 minus 10 equals 1. We have a remainder of 1. Awesome work, mathematicians. You're doing fantastic. We're almost there. Let's bring down the last digit too. Wow, we have 12 now. Our last number to divide is 12. We brought down the 2 and joined it with our remainder 1, making 12. How many times does 2 go into 12? You got it, it's 6. Let's check. 6 times 2 is 12. Write 12 below our 12. Last subtraction. 12 minus 12 is 0. No remainder this time. Hooray, we finished dividing. You crushed it. And that's the end of our division problem. We've successfully divided 112 by 2. So 112 divided by 2 equals 56. We did it. We tackled 112 divided by 2 using long division. Remember, each step builds on the last, and with a little practice, you'll be a long division superstar. That's all for today, Math Explorers. Keep practicing, keep discovering, and check out more awesome math adventures on Let's Stud. See you next time.